Hey there, welcome to English Atmosphere. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're starting a brand new English shadowing series to help you speak more fluently and naturally. This is part 1, where we'll shadow real-life sentences from morning to night, just like a native speaker. All you have to do is listen carefully and repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. This is your practice space. Let's begin. Morning routine. Good morning. Did you sleep well last night? I didn't sleep much, but I feel okay. The first thing I do every morning is drink water. Then I make a cup of coffee. That's my little ritual. I love that quiet moment before the world wakes up. Sometimes I sit by the window and watch the sunrise. It reminds me how peaceful mornings can be. I tell myself, today I'll do my best. At work. All right, let's move to work life. I reached the office a little early today. It feels nice to start the day before everyone else. The office is quiet, and I can hear the sound of my own thoughts. I check my emails, make a to-do list, and take a deep breath. There's always something new to deal with. But I remind myself, stress doesn't help. Focus does. When I work, I try to give my full attention. If I make a mistake, I learn from it. Every experience adds something to my growth. Talking with colleagues. Hey, good morning. How's it going? You look a little tired today. Long night? Let's grab a coffee after the meeting. I enjoy chatting with my colleagues. A good laugh can really brighten the day. Sometimes we talk about work, sometimes just life. It's nice to feel that sense of connection. Work becomes lighter when you share it with others. Teamwork makes everything smoother. Evening time. The sun is setting, my favourite time of the day. I like to take a short walk after work. It helps me clear my mind. Sometimes I put on my headphones and listen to music. Other times I just enjoy the silence. The air feels fresher and my thoughts slow down. I think about my day. What went right? What didn't? And I tell myself, it's okay, I'll do better tomorrow. Before, bed. It's nighttime now. I switch off my phone and keep it away. I like to read a few pages of a book before bed. Sometimes I write down one good thing that happened today. Even the smallest moment counts. Gratitude helps me sleep with a peaceful heart. I close my eyes and whisper, "Thank you for today." Then I let go of everything and drift off to sleep. You did great. This is how you train your mind and mouth to work together. And that's it for part 1 of our shadowing series. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget, part 2 is already waiting for you on my channel. In the next part, we'll shadow real-life conversations, at restaurants, while travelling, and talking with friends. Keep practicing every day. Your English will soon sound smoother, clearer, and more confident. Thanks for practicing with me today. This is English Atmosphere, and I'll see you in part 2. Take care.